Let's take a look at this bell pepper plant. If you look at the fruit of this plant, this bell pepper, it has this strange looking tannish pattern to it. And if you notice, it's just on the skin. I didn't know at first what could have caused this damage, but as I started thinking about it, mites came to mind. So mites have piercing, sucking mouth parts. I think what happened is when this bell pepper was young and developing, those mites attacked this bell pepper and they injected their saliva into the skin, causing this tannish, russet appearance on this bell pepper. But here's the thing, it doesn't affect the inside of the fruit itself of the bell pepper. So what you can do is actually just scrape this russet appearance off and the fruit is actually good. Although this russet appearance may not look attractive to you, which you can do, just cut it open. As you can see, it is edible. You can eat it.